الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا أشهد أن
Masjid Imam Shafi'e. Masjid Imam Shafi'e in Gaza Strip is located in Al Zaytun area, where tens of thousands of citizens live. Gaza, which was devastated by the Zionist aggression implemented during 51 days by the Israeli occupation army, where the destruction of Masjid Imam Shafi'e was among the calamities that was committed against Gaza and has become as you see now. Masjid Imam Shafi'e was founded in 1964, composed of several floors on an area of 2,000 meters square, and it used to accommodate thousands of worshippers. This masjid is one of the largest masjids in the Gaza Strip, where it contained Abu Bakr Center for the memorization of the Quran, and is used to graduate hundreds of Quran keepers or Quran Hafiz yearly.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
والشمس وضحاها
والشمس وضحاها.
The masjid also contains the headquarters of Zakat Committee of Al Zaytun area, which is frequented by more than 10,000 poor yearly, as well as it contains a center for community reconciliation to dissolve conflicts between people. The masjid was targeted by the occupation enemy with at least 10 rockets of mass destruction weapons that completely destroyed it and nothing left of it. Aman Palestine Berhad has pledged to take over the full reconstruction of the masjid and added the project within the reconstruction plan 2015 to reconstruct it with an amount of $3 million. Aman Palestine has set up a scheme of construction to include a musalla or surau for men and another for women, in addition to a story of cultural and religious multi-use activities with an external arena for public activities. You are kindly invited to contribute with us in rebuilding the masjid with your generous donations.
Our great brothers and sisters from Malaysia, we invite you to donate more than for the people in Gaza Strip. Gaza Strip is still in need.
My brothers in Malaysia, be with us in establishing this important pillar of the Muslim society.